Hi guys, today I'm back with some more earrings. I'm going to make a base today because I'm going to use nail foils again. So I've just added a small pinch of this coloured mica powder to some epoxy resin. I'm just going to fill up the middle size mould so that we can have a nice base to work with. So I use these moulds all the time and they give a great result. Now you could use UV resin, but I just find it's just not as sturdy as epoxy resin. Right. Okay, I will let them sit for a bit and then I will grab my little heat tool and I will pop any bubbles on the surface and then I will let them cure for at least 24 hours. And I'll be back. And as you can see, that has just given me a really nice flat base to work with. So now the nail foil I'm going to go in with today is from this set. Beautiful holographic set. I'm going to do this pink colour, hence the sort of pink base. So I'm going to first go down with a thin coat of the nail foil. Glue. So this glue, I'm just making sure that I have got every area on this top surface there. Okay. I'm just going to lay that down and then pat the surface to make sure that there are no air bubbles. And now I'm just going to drag over my UV lamp and put them under for 90 seconds. Okay, so they've had 90 seconds. Okay, so I'm just going to give them a light sand to get any glue residue off the edges there. I'm still going to take an alcohol wipe and also just give it a little clean around the edges so it's not sticky. And I'll be back with the next step. Okay, so they've both had just a light sand, really just to get that glue residue off. So now I'm just going to go in with just a dab of clear UV resin, and I'm just going to spread that to the edges to protect the UV, to protect the nail foil, that is, and just to give it a bit of a shine. And as always, I will always direct the resin around the hole that's already been drilled here because I don't want to have to redo that because it was formed by the mould. So let's try and redo that. Okay, I'm just going to grab my UV lamp and put them under for a good 3 minutes, just the top bit, so I know it's perfectly cured, and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. And look at the holographic on that. So pretty. So I have just made a top part there just using one of the molds I had lying around, and I have domed it with clear UV resin over the top just to give it a bit more shine. So I've got a back on there, and I have connected them with silver jump rings. We'll totally give this nail foil a go, guys. And catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.